Ever had a moment of curiosity on how to create a simple 1.5-volt battery welding machine right at home? Well, today we're going to unravel that mystery step by step. To start, gather the necessary materials. You'll need a 1.5-volt battery, copper wire, a light bulb, a switch, and a piece of metal. Remember, safety comes first, so don't forget to wear your protective gloves and goggles. First off, take the copper wire and wrap it around the battery. Make sure to leave a bit of wire at both ends for connections. This forms the primary coil of your welding machine. Next, connect one end of the wire to the switch. The switch serves as the control mechanism for your machine. It's the part that allows you to turn your machine on or off as needed. Then, take the light bulb and carefully connect it to the other end of the wire. The bulb acts as an indicator, lighting up when the machine is in operation. Now take the piece of metal and attach it to the switch. This will serve as the welding electrode, the part of the machine that will heat up and perform the actual welding. After you've made all the connections, double check to ensure everything is secure. A loose connection could lead to poor performance or worse, a safety hazard. Once everything is set up, flip the switch. The light bulb should light up, indicating that your homemade welding machine is operational. If the bulb doesn't light up, double check your connections and the battery. It's important to note that this is a simple machine and it's not meant for heavy-duty welding. It's perfect for small home projects where you need to join small pieces of metal together. So to summarize, here's how to make a simple 1.5-volt battery welding machine at home. 1. Gather your materials: a 1.5-volt battery, copper wire, a light bulb, a switch, and a metal piece. 1. Wrap the copper wire around the battery, leaving loose ends for connections. 1. Connect one end of the wire to the switch. 1. Connect the other end of the wire to the light bulb. 1. Attach the piece of metal to the switch. 1. Double check all connections. 1. Flip the switch to test the machine. Simple, isn't it? With a bit of caution and creativity, you can turn everyday household items into functional tools. Now you know how to make a simple 1.5-volt battery welding machine right at home. Happy welding!